And they're not paying us to do this video.
No,
they're not sponsoring this
video. It'd be
anyway.
nice though.
It'd be real nice.
If you're trying to, Cruise America, I'm just saying, you know.
Hi everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to our channel. I'm Fox.
And I'm Miles.
And this is The Adventures of Fox.
The Adventures of Fox and Miles.
Yes, where we share all of our things.
Yeah.
Yay.
For the most part.
Yeah. So today we're going to talk about getting our RV from Cruise America.
Cruise America.
Cruise America. So we actually stumbled across Cruise America on accident.
Yeah.
We were searching for an RV to buy in Manassass, Virginia. And we went to, I should look up the name.
It's like Camper World.
Camper
like
World.
that, yeah.
Wherever they sell RVs. And it's like a world in the name. But I'll probably put it whatever it's called in real life. But so we went there, and honestly, it was just way out of our price range. People were great.
Yeah,
but
it was really,
just,
they were really nice and very welcoming and stuff, but it wasn't going to fit in our budget.
At all.
Wanted to,
we saw those prices and was like, gotta go.
Yeah.
So I actually just did a random Google search of like RV sales, like literally.
Yeah.
In Manassass, Virginia, and right around the corner was a Cruise America.
Right.
And they sell used RVs.
Yep.
So we drove there. It took about like maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah, less than that maybe.
To get there. And we came to Cruise America. We found out that it was an RV rental company. I've never heard of it before.
Never heard of it.
And so they come in different sizes and stuff, and they also are a certified like reseller of the RVs that they use.
So they do RV rentals and RV sales. And this all throughout North America.
Yeah.
Throughout America,
Yeah. It's not just based in Virginia.
Yeah, no.
It's all throughout. Our RV actually came from Arizona, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Or I think their headquarters might be
might
be in Arizona.
Yeah, so they were kind enough to take us on a tour to see what kind of RVs were there, and what?
No, it was really nice.
Yeah,
really
it was
nice because it was. It's like really random.
It was random.
So the first place we went to was like huge. Like, you can see it from the highway. Like it was huge. Yeah. And then we went to Cruise America, and it was just like little.
Yeah, 2 people working.
Yeah, it was 2 people working there. We're just little cut kind of joint.
Yeah.
And so, because of course we were using Google, so I was like, is this really a...
Yeah.
Where are we?
Yeah.
And then we went in there, and they were just nice. They were just chilling, hanging out, and they answered lots of questions.
All the questions.
They answered
without any guarantee of us buying anything.
Right. They were just so kind and helpful, and that was throughout the whole process of us purchasing our RV. Like, we had a lot of questions. One time we had to call them while we were at the bank to get stuff, and they were on the phone answering questions and helping us fill out stuff. Yeah. It was really good experience.
Yeah. And I like that feel of them actually caring. I'm sure they do care about their check, but like the guy said, he doesn't make commission off of the RV.
Yeah, the one guy that helped us,
Yeah. So he was like, no, I want to help you all. Yeah. So that was great. That was a great experience.
Yeah, and he was giving us a lot of, because we were telling them about what we were trying to do, that we were trying to live in the RV full time. And so they were giving us tons of advice on things that we should get, things that we should look into, and other things that we should purchase and consider. Avoid. Yeah, places to avoid and stuff like that. And so it was really good. Yeah. It was really good. Definitely a recommended place. Yeah. And I'm sure it would be just as good for rentals. Because, I mean, if we got that treatment for sales, I'm sure we'd get that same kind of kindness and things like that from sales. So definitely a recommended company, recommended place to go to, Cruise America.
Do we have any hiccups or anything that happened with Cruise America?
A little, when we were getting like our title and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think...
The only problem.
I think that was really like the only problem. I think there was some kind of mess up with like my name on the title, so they kind of like had to redo it or whatever. And it took a little while for us to get the title, but I think other than that, yeah, it was cool. And I mean, they were understanding and stuff like that, and then they rushed it out like next day after everything got fixed. So it wasn't like they were neglectful or anything like that. I think it was just going through the process, and something happened. Something always happens. Not always happens, but stuff happens. Yeah. So there's nothing to like.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't like that. So.
Yeah. It was more of a frustration than
more
just
of a
an annoyance. Yeah. Another wonderful thing about Cruise America is that when you buy from them, they give you warranties that you can purchase. Yeah. So right now we have a 5-year warranty. So that's just in case. Again, it's used. So just in case. Yeah. Just 2 warranties. For the cabin and also for the engine and transmission and all that
powertrain.
Stuff. Powertrain, yes. So we wanted to get that just because it's used and it has a little more mileage on it. So if something were to go awry, we wouldn't have to come out of pocket with it. Right. It'd be covered in the warranty. Yeah. So it's a little extra, but I think it's beneficial. Yeah. You know, versus spending $90,000 on a new RV, getting a used one for $32,000 plus however much the
warranty and all
the
that
warranties.
stuff,
I think they were like $2,000 a piece.
I think so.
That's $2,000 a piece, so about $4,000 extra dollars.
Yeah,
which sounds like a lot, but again, we didn't pay for our RV outright. We actually got it financed through our credit union.
Yeah,
which is, you know, a no, but that's something we're trying to pay off as well.
Yeah, I mean, the way we look at it is it's kind of like our mortgage, because we're going to be living in the RV,
right?
And so it's like us buying a little house.
Yeah, exactly.
Our tiny house.
It is a tiny house. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's definitely something we're working on, is paying it off as quickly as possible, just like the rest of our debt and things like that. So I mean, I think it works for us, because again, what we're paying for our quote unquote mortgage is significantly less than what we would be paying for to stay in an apartment or anything
anywhere
in this
around
area.
DMV.
Yeah, anywhere.
Yeah.
So, and it's gonna be it'll work for us.
Yeah. Definitely highly recommend purchasing an RV from Cruise America. They got your back. They actually care about you. You're not just a number or a paycheck.
Yeah.
And they're helpful with every step of the way. I can only speak for the Manassass one, to be honest. Yeah. But I'm hoping that's the culture within their community.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that was our experience. It was a good experience. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So definitely check it out. I guess we'll put links down.
Oh yeah. Where you can visit and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So,
and see the other RVs and services that they provide.
And they're not paying us to do this video. No, they're not sponsoring this
video. It'd be nice
though. It'd be real nice.
If you're trying to, Cruise America, I'm just saying, you know.
We'll be your best.
Hey.
Yes, sponsor us. No, but seriously, like, they're not. We are doing this video for ourselves. Yeah. For you all, if you're thinking about it, just to offer another alternative.
Yeah, recommendations.
Yeah. Because some stuff is just overpriced.
Yeah.
And so we just, for those looking for like a basic option, or even if you're looking for an option just to rent an RV, please check out Cruise America, because they're really, really kind and really nice.
Yeah.
So so that's about it for today.
Yes.
I'm Fox again.
And I'm Miles. Be sure to like and subscribe.
And
also visit our website.
Please.
www.foxandmiles.com.
Yes, foxandmiles.com.
Yeah.
And in the description, we'll put all the things that you need to know that were covered in this video, and also where you can find us at on social media and things like that. So please, we want to hear from you. We wanna bond.
Yeah. So until next time, guys.
Until next time.
See you later.
See you.